Hey there friends, today is day 5 and today's treat is inspired by a game I've been playing. It's Dreamlight Valley. We're going to be recreating the little gingerbread mini cookies. This was so fun and so cute to make. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. The ingredients you're going to need is 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of ginger, half a teaspoon of cloves, 1 egg, 1 cup of brown sugar, 6 ounces of butter, 2/3 cup of molasses, and 4 cups of flour. We're going to start by combining our spices into our flour as well as our baking soda and that salt. Put that aside, and now we're going to soften our butter. Just get our room temperature butter and mix it up for a bit. Then to that, add your brown sugar and combine that all well. Mix until it's well incorporated and fluffy. Make sure you scrape your bowl after every mix as well. Then to this, we're going to add our 1 egg and give it a mix. Scrape your bowl one more time, and then to this we're going to pour in our molasses and then combine that all well. Just mix it up until it's well incorporated. Scrape your bowl once more. Then we're going to slowly add our flour in. There's the last of our flour, and mix that up. Once you notice it start to come together, you can use your spatula or your hand until it forms a ball. Now that it's all come together, get some saran wrap, wrap it up, and stick it in the fridge for about 2 hours just to let it chill. Once it's had plenty of time to chill, bring it out of the fridge. So I like to divide mine up into 4 portions. Just lightly sprinkle some flour on your counter and then start rolling out your dough. I'm going to be using my large Mickey cookie cutter to cut these out. You can also preheat your oven to 350 degrees. These will bake for about 10 minutes, just until you see them rise. Once completely cooled, we are going to decorate. So in this bag I have some royal icing, and I'm going to be doing the outline first. This recipe will make about 10 to 12 large cookies. So I'm decorating them similar to how they look in the game. Once the outline is done, I'm going to be drawing those little M's in the ear. You can do the squiggles or you can do the M's. And then with a bit of black royal icing, I'm going to be doing the nose and the mouth. And then as well as the eyes. With red, I'm going to be adding the little dimple or the blush onto that smile. And there's our Dreamlight Valley gingerbread cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're also playing Dreamlight Valley down in the comments below. If you want to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media links are in the description box as well. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.